What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and if you don't know me, we go over tools, tips, and tricks to make money online. And today we'll be talking about PayPal money in 2020. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So yeah, guys, here I am on the site called al.ly, and in a nutshell, what this thing does, it's an affiliate program, but you get paid for people that click on your links. So basically what it is, it's called pop traffic. So if you don't know what that is, it's like you put a link to a video in a URL shortener, which is what you see right now in front of us, and then you'll shorten it, but once they click on it, an ad pops up, and then once they watch the ad or whatever and then click off of the ad to click on link, once they click on that link, and then that goes to the video. So basically there's like an ad that's coming up as soon as they click on that link. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because I saw this strategy on YouTube, and you do not want to do this. So there's a lot of people promoting this strategy. Do not do this, because I tried this and I almost got a virus on my computer. Luckily, I was able to get rid of it, but do not try this method that I'm about to show you. It's bad news. If you want to promote it, hey, it's all on you, but I would not advise this, because you have to test it out first, and you have to do that on your computer. And once you do that, like, you might get a virus. Like, I don't trust it at all. But I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to do this. And actually, I'm gonna show you 2 ways to do this, and you can decide whether you want to do it or not. But I'm not gonna do it. Once I found out, like, I almost had a virus on my computer, I was just like, you know what, I'm not doing that. It's not ethical to me to do this, but I'm not gonna judge anybody for doing it. But I'm gonna show you this method anyway. It's actually pretty smart the way this is set up. But yeah, let's just go ahead and dive right in. And so what you do is, you want to get a video, shorten it, and then you want to put it in a form so people click on it. That's one method. Second method is, you put your link in this shortener, and you give this this link to someone on Fiverr to give you tons of traffic that will click on that link. So so for example, if we're doing like how to pick a dog breed, let's just try that. What we'll do is we'll go to, I've actually already done this. So how to pick a dog. So how to choose the best dog for you. So what you'll do is you'll click on this. Go ahead and pause that. And then go to share. You're gonna go to copy, and then you're gonna go back to this site. You're gonna paste it in, and click on shorten. Click on that. Shorten. I probably need to log in first, but let's see what happens. So I have that copied. So now what you'll do is, you're gonna copy this, and then now you're gonna look for a dog form, right? Because a dog form, it's free. So you'll click on that, click in dog form on Google, and click on this. And then you'll sign up for this form. And then what you'll do is you'll create a blog post, or like a thread, whatever you want to call it. Click start in discussion. And then you'll say how to pick a dog. And then you'll just kind of go into like your situation. So you'll just say like, I live in an apartment and I'm looking for a dog, but not sure what type of breed that fits my personality. I saw this video on YouTube but didn't know if it was trustworthy or not. Does anyone have any suggestions? Here is the video. I'll do that. Then of course you could just put like dog video, and then you're gonna bold it. Oops, wrong one. Insert link, URL, insert, and then I will just click post thread. I'm not gonna, of course, like I said before, like I'm not gonna do that because when you click on that link, it's gonna ask you to sign up for push notifications, and once you do that, and that's when you could get a possible virus. But this is how you would, of course, if I can spell trustworthy. But yeah, so that's how you would kind of set it up, and people will click on that video, and then they would, of course, see the ad. It'll pop up, and then they sign up for or allow the push notification, and then they would click on the button in the top right corner to go to that video that you're talking about. So this is a free method of doing this, and there is quite a bit of traffic. Let me see if I can go back and show you guys. Let's see. Like 6 hours ago, 49 people saw this. 2 hours ago, 112 people saw this. 2 hours ago, 146 people saw this thread or this post. What breed is my new puppy? Like things like that. It gets a lot of organic traffic. So this is perfect. If you don't have any money, you don't want to push it out, you can do this method. You just post it. But then again, if people start, complaining about your link, you could get banned from this forum also too. So again, just give me a heads up with this method. Now the next method, what you will do is go to Fiverr. You type in website traffic. Boom. Super targeted website traffic, 40,000 within 30 days. Click on that. So you spend $5 and they'll send you 40,000 people within 30 days. So you spend $5. Let's see if they allow pop traffic. Some of them might not allow it, but let's see. No bots or PPC. Yep, boom, okay. So Fiverr link, AdFly, which is basically the same thing in viruses. So they may not allow this. So you would have to hit them up before you pay to say, hey, is this allowable? They'll probably say no. Because AdFly is basically the same exact thing that we were doing. So then you try to, I guess, go back, see if you can find someone else like this one. Let's see. No rotated YouTube videos, AdFly, no. So they won't allow it either. Some of these, they don't even care. Let's see. Yep, they don't do it either. See if I can find another one. I doubt these people will allow it either. Let's see, not accepted. So they're not saying they don't accept it. So this is one you can probably reach out to. Let's see. Oh, never mind. So, I mean, you could write an article about dogs, and then you just have that link within there, and then they'll send that traffic to that 250,000. That's insane. So yeah, you could just do that, write a blog about it, and then put your link about dogs within that blog, and then do it that way. So that's another way you can do it. But again, you have to just dig through all these to see who allows it and who doesn't. I'm sure there's some people in here that don't care. They don't accept that. Yeah, it's just, again, I used that link and it looked like it was going to give me a virus. So I was like, I am not doing this whatsoever. So again, at your own discretion, you can choose this method if you want to, but I guarantee you, if you start digging through all these people, you're going to find someone that allow it. Again, you can use that one that I just went through, write a blog about it, insert your link, and then roll that way. But that's another way to do it. But again, a lot of people are promoting this on YouTube. Just be very, very careful and cognizant of like what you're doing. Don't sell anything that you're not proud of or that you wouldn't support or buy yourself. And but yeah, I hope this helps you guys a lot, because again, I thought it was a cool method, but I'm not trying to get anybody any kind of viruses whatsoever. That's karma. So, but anyway, if you liked the video, you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.